First is Sumit, second is Harman, third is Monem, fourth is Kanav, and fifth is Siddhima. Start.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम मॉडल्स कब करेंगे?
Section C language. Only for those.
This is done, ma'am.
Only for those admitting English language. Read the following. Read the following passage and answer the question. Question 76 to 78 by choosing the most appropriate option.
Appropriate means correct option.
Okay, ma'am.
And this start.
Ma'am, what is the next word? Zeus.
Zeus and Prometheus.
Zeus and Prometheus. Okay, ma'am. From the very first, human had trouble with the Greek gods. Most gods thought of humans as toys, but God made friends with the humans. One of those gods was Prometheus.
Only 6 line बेटा, सिर्फ 6 line पढ़नी है, ध्यान रखना. चलो चलो जल्दी जल्दी hurry up.
The first people created by the gods lived happily together. They rose the. Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. I have done.
Yes. Next. Whose turn after Sumit?
Ma'am.
Anji, bolo.
Ma'am, Harman can read.
Yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am. The next select language. Only for those English language. Read the following page and answer the question. Question 76 by choosing the
Ma'am, please scroll the screen. Ma'am, please
scroll the screen.
This passage is done.
Armandeep, your voice is cracking. Yes, ma'am. Disappointed at good were wonderful, but their children were not as grateful or as compact. The children unjust among themselves and sometimes even adjust with the goddess.
बोलो बेटा, start.
Zeus was very disappointed at mankind. He decided to punish mankind by depriving them of a very important tool, fire. Prometheus felt sorry for his human friends. Fire was important for many things such as heat and cooking. Prometheus stole a lightning bolt from Zeus and gave it to mankind. That when man discovered fire, Zeus was furious as Prometheus was defeated Zeus. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, my turn. Ordered Prometheus be changed to a rock as a punishment for telling his lightning bolt and for going behind as back to help the human to make Prometheus very more miserable. You send Storm to the angry ways against Prometheus helpless change to has rocks. Those made the sun shine really. And please scroll the screen. Hercules, who finally realized that the helpless god from मैम किसकी टर्न है? मैम को जिसकी टर्न है मैम वो बोल रहा ही नहीं है। मैम यू इज म्यूटेड।
किसकी टर्न है बेटा?
मैम रोहन। मैम माय नॉट टर्न। यस मैम। मैम रोहन।
It's their turn.
रोहन मैम। मैम रोहन की टर्न
Ma'am,
है लेकिन
Siddhi
वो
must
बोल
start.
नहीं रहा। Yes, Siddhi
नाउ
Ma'am, Siddhima's turn because you don't
No,
did not fix their
ma'am.
turn.
Ma'am, my brother's turn. Rohan's turn.
सीधिमा आपकी टर्न थी, अभी रोहन की टर्न फिक्स नहीं करी मैंने आज।
यस मैम ये
Yes, ma'am.
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
First question. What is the meaning of the underlined word Prometheus had defied Zeus? Ma'am, answer is B option. No, A option is correct.
Yes ma'am, A option is correct.
Second,
A option is correct.
Second, which of the following statements is not true about Zeus and Prometheus? Ma'am, scroll the screen.
Yes, I am doing that.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear. Ma'am, answer is C option. Ma'am, scroll the screen.
A option is correct. Most Greek gods saw humans as a means of their entertainment. D option is
Scroll
correct.
the screen.
A option is correct.
Yes, A option is correct.
Ma'am, please scroll the screen.
अरे doing सीधिमा।
Third question. Why was Zeus angry? Why was Zeus angry and disappointed at humans? Ma'am, answer is C option. Ma'am,
Yes.
answer is B option. Ma'am, answer is D option.
A option is correct.
C option.
A option. A option
C.
is correct. A.
C.
A.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
answer is D option.
The
मैम
A.
correct answer is they were not intelligent enough to discover the fire, and they were quarrelsome. They did not respect gods. These two reasons can be
Yes,
there.
ma'am. C option.
Ma'am, my turn. Ma'am, my turn is done.
Okay.
मैम उसके आगे मैम आपने नहीं कराया था कौन किसकी
Okay.
टर्न है।
Now, after Siddhima, Shivang, then Kings, then Rohan, then Soham,
पैसे कमीशन है समझ
and
Yes, ma'am.
then,
Question.
and then after that, Abhinav.
Okay, 79 question. There was no one else in the room. Dash Colin. Ma'am, answer is B option. There was no one else in the room except Colin.
B option
Ma'am,
is
80
correct.
number question. Yes, ma'am. Question number 80. The news is all dash the internet. The news is all over the internet. Ma'am, question number 81. We
B
studied.
option is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Question number 81. Question number 81. We studied about dash Roman Empire in school. Ma'am, we study about the Roman Empire in the school.
C option
ma'am.
is correct.
Yes, ma'am. C option.
Ma'am, my turn. Ma'am, please scroll. Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, yes.
Rearrange the following word phrases to make meaningful sentence. Choose the correct sequence. Ma'am, question number 1. Ma'am, question number 82. The sun A option. The sun A U B of C must D stay out E. Ma'am, is the answer. You must stay out of the sun. E. No,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
E.
Ma'am, answer is C option.
मैम
A option is A option is correct. Ma'am,
C option.
You
must
Ma'am, C option.
stay out of
the sun.
stay out of the sun.
Correct. C option. Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes.
C option is correct.
Which one?
C option is correct. Ma'am, question number 83. A immediately B, salary C, my D, want E. Ma'am, this answer. I want my salary.
Ma'am, correct answer is C option.
I want my salary immediately.
Ma'am, answer is B option. Ma'am, answer is B option.
B option is correct.
Ma'am, B option. Ma'am, B option is correct.
Yes. I want my salary immediately. Correct.
Ma'am, please follow the screen. Ma'am, please follow the screen. मैम ऊपर कीजिए.
Mortal.
Ma'am, choose the word that means the opposite of mortal. Ma'am, B option, immortal.
Correct.
Yes. And A option.
Say next question.
Ma'am, my turn. Abhinav, then your turn. No. Ma'am, my turn. Soham.
Ma'am, Kingsuk done. Sir, ma'am.
Yes, then Soham turn.
Ma'am, Sohan turn.
Yes, whose turn?
Ma'am,
Huh?
Ma'am, Sohan turn. Sohan.
No. Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, my turn. Ma'am, Abhinav turn. Ma'am, 85. A dash of thief was caught by the police. A team of thieves was caught by police. Ma'am, C option.
Pack. B option is correct. Pack. B option. B option is correct. B.
This one B option is correct.
B option is correct.
Yes, ma'am. B option is correct. It has become his habit to do his homework and then copy it from others.
Always.
B option is become his habit to always. Ma'am, option D. Ma'am, D. Never do this. There are
मैम क्लास में बहुत शोर है.
बेटा जिसकी टर्न है फिर वही बोलेगा. ये दो क्यों बोल रहे हैं क्लास के अंदर? कौन बोल रहा है?
मैम
Abhinav, be quiet.
Ma'am, my turn.
Unnecessarily you are shouting in the class.
Ma'am, Don and Soham are shouting on Kannada. There are several days at the conference. There were several women at the conference. Ma'am, A option is correct. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, now my turn.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please scroll the screen. To beat around the bush means to turn violent against a stranger. Ma'am, A option is correct. Ma'am, A option is correct. 88 questions.
No.
Answer is A.
No. Option is B part. And what is the answer of 87?
Abhinav say answer 87 question.
Abhinav, what is the answer of 87?
Ma'am, A option.
Correct.
A option.
Correct.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैं 1 मिनट के लिए कैमरा ऑफ कर सकता हूँ?
Okay. Now
Okay,
85, 89. Hurry up.
89 question. My father is a bookworm. He dash books to films and sports. C option is correct. Prefers.
Not C. Correct option is B. He
Okay, ma'am.
prefer. He prefer books. Next
Choose the
option.
most appropriate option. Which of the following options is the meaning of the word executed? Ma'am, please scroll the screen. Ma'am, please scroll the screen. Ma'am, the option is correct. Very tried. Ma'am, the option is correct.
What
Ma'am,
is the
wrong
option?
answer.
What is the correct option?
The option is correct. D. Very tried.
Which one?
D. 90th question. The option is correct.
Yes, very tired. Very good. Very tired.
You ma'am.
91. A confectioner is a person who sells.
Sweet. Sells sweet.
No. Confetti. स्वीट वाला तो स्वीट शॉप्स होती है. कन्फेक्शनरी शॉप पे सारी चीजें मिलती है ना.
Confectionery means
जिसमें सारी चीजें होती हैं. सारी चीजें. Ration also, sweet also, biscuit also, everything. है ना. They keep so many things. Next, 92.
ma'am, Som has done the turn.
Next, Kanav.
Yes, ma'am.
Your turn.
93. Leave your bags at the gate. Identify the types of sentence. Ma'am, declarative. No, ma'am, imperative. Ma'am, option A.
Yes, imperative, normal sentence. Very good. Next.
मैम
Yes, beta.
मैम मेरी टर्न नहीं हुई.
Yes. सुमित आप बोलो. सुमित यतिन आप बोलो बेटा.
मैम okay मैम 94th question near the quarter to the
Equator.
the sun greater quantities of water bracket choose the correct form of the verb. Ma'am, option A, sun is the ma'am, option A.
Evaporating.
B.
Okay,
No. It is B part. The sun evaporates greater quantities of water. Yes.
I see you of it.
Next, 95.
95th question, 95th question, choose the correct spelling.
Today is
Ma'am,
the dash day of my apartment. ठीक है.
Ma'am, option.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, option C is correct.
Can I tell?
Correct. Absolutely
Yes, the
correct.
option is correct. My brother said first option is correct. Rohan said first option is correct.
No. Option C is correct. 96.
Yes, ma'am, I can answer. Yes, ma'am.
96.
And 96th question and 96th question. And today is the day of my life. Choose the correct adjective. Ma'am, option A is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Option is correct.
Wrong.
D option D. Ma'am, option D.
Okay, ma'am, I have done.
D is the correct answer. Next.
I tell the option.
Ma'am, my turn is
Yes, next.
Sumit turn.
Sumit.
Sumit turn.
Sumit is sleeping. Leave his turn. Next. Sumit के बाद किसकी थी?
Monil.
मैम सुमित क्लास में नहीं है.
Posts are known to fly in there together. To the word
Gods.
nearest in meaning to the underlined word.
मैम ऊपर कीजिए, नीचे नीचे कीजिए.
Which question number?
Ma'am,
मैम 97.
Ma'am, B option.
मैम ये 2021 का है ना.
97.
Ma'am, B option is correct.
मैम B option is correct. B option.
98.
Do as distance
मैम
directed. There are some species that are inherited. And the kind of noun.
मैम
Ma'am, B option.
C option is correct. This is a collective noun. Ma'am C option.
Ma'am, C.
C option is correct.
Which question?
98 question. C option.
There are some diseases that are inherited. Identify the noun. Noun is here. Where is noun? Diseases is a common noun. Common noun. D option
Not
है
collective.
बेटा.
Okay.
After school, you and dash must
Yes, ma'am. C option is correct.
see, ma'am.
After school, you and dash must discuss a few things. You and I. Next.
Ma'am, he's done. Ma'am, now Yatin turn. No, Shivang turn.
Shivang.
Yes, ma'am. Question number from 94. Near the
We're not
equal.
100.
Yes, ma'am. It is quite warm. Dash. It is quite warm, isn't it? Ma'am, option number C.
C part.
C option is
Isn't
correct.
it? Very good. So beta, time also over. Time also over. Night. So thank you so much. Tomorrow we'll do some other paper, right? और आप में से किस किस का RMS का पेपर है? किस किस का सैनिक स्कूल का पेपर है सितंबर में?
मैम हमारा सैनिक स्कूल का है, यतीन का भी सैनिक स्कूल का है और सिद्धिमा के भी सैनिक स्कूल का है.
कब है बेटा, कब है?
मैम, मेरा भी है.
मैम हमारा सातारा सैनिक स्कूल का ना 2 जन को है, 2 जनवरी 2022. यस
ठीक है बेटा, फिर कल हम ऐसा करेंगे अपने 10 से स्टार्ट कर देंगे, ठीक है?
मैम उसके बाद मॉडल्स करवाना और वर्क करवाना.
ठीक है, पहले कल हम टेंसेस अपने फिनिश करेंगे. टेंसेस बहुत लंबा टॉपिक है. ओके बेटा,
ओके मैम. बाय मैम.
बाय.
बाय मैम.
बाय मैम. थैंक यू मैम. हैव अ नाइस डे मैम.
नाइस नाइट मैम. बाय मैम.
थैंक यू मैम.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.